Hi, today I'm unboxing a Veggetti Pro. I was shopping the other day at Bed Bath & Beyond and I saw these puppies on for $20 and I thought, with all the frying that I've been doing in the new Ninja Foodi that I got for Christmas, I would like some help with prepping my vegetables. So I've watched a few videos on this machine, and the first few I watched, I was like, I'm not even opening this. I'm taking it back. Then this morning I started watching some more videos and I went, I've got to unbox this thing and give it a try. So, we got more tape over here. Here, okay. Okay, some cardboard. Oh, look at that. It comes out in one piece. No assembly. All right, box done. So it says that it does zucchini and squash and carrots, cucumbers, potatoes, and more. And there is a gourmet guide in the box. I've decided that my first test try is going to be the apple. Okay, so that's pretty simple. It holds three blades in total. So we've got the ribbon cut, the thin spiral, and the thick spiral. And this should come off, I believe. There we go. There's a little slider here that's a lock. And I want to remove, oh, that came out easy, whereas some of the videos I saw, the blades were hard to come out. So it comes with a tape as a protector. Okay, so before I go any further, I want to give this puppy a wash and then I'll come back and we'll try apples. It says to be very, very careful with the blades. So if you're going, this is the sharp side of the blade, the inside close to the center anchor. This is a hole and it anchors the vegetable or fruit. So you want to go the opposite way with your brush. And then these ones are an inside action as such. Clean out the hole. Give it a scrub. Again, watching the angle. And give it a rinse. And let it dry. As for the handle part, this is pretty easy, I think. Just give it a scrub. Scrub it all down. Oh, there's that anchor handle that I've seen in so many videos. I saw a video where one lady didn't even know to use that. It stayed up and she couldn't figure out why it wasn't working. And then the base, of course. I like my brush. Gets in corners and edges I wouldn't otherwise get in. This says release. Oh, look at that. Even the top, that comes off. Oh, so the base can go flat for storage. How is that? That's awesome. And one big suction cup here for securing the Veggetti to the countertop. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces to this puppy. Assembly. So here is a hole and a nib. I'm going to use the thin spiral, so the blades go to the base of the machine, and I'm going to put these other ones away. So they're out of the way. And then you slide, oh, that's so simple. Ta-da! On the back here, it says off and on, and that is to run the suction cup. Oh, I still have some water. So to secure it to the countertop, flip over to on, and it ain't going anywhere. Grab the, I didn't even look to see what that's called. The fruit or vegetable goes, the center of it goes on here. You slide this puppy on here, and now I'm going to secure it to the countertop, to on, bring my dish over, and let's see how it goes. So you push with the green handle on the bottom, and you just turn with the one on top, and you know what? That was extremely easy. Holy moly. One apple prepped. Look at that. Look. That's gonna make it so easy to make so many apple treats. I love apples and cinnamon. Anybody that's seen my videos knows that apples and cinnamon is where it's at for me. Let's do that one more time. Hold the handle on the bottom with the left hand, because I'm right-handed. Give it a turn. And this item is not going back to the store. That's real time, one apple prepped. That is a do-over, and I will be continuing to use the Veggetti Pro. Stay tuned. I'm going to make an apple crumble using these apples, and I'm going to bake it in the Ninja Foodi. I'll put that on another video.